It is a hot summer morning. The family is going to the swimming pool today. But Oliver has a secret. He is scared of the water.
I do not want to go. The water is too deep. I am scared. Oliver, hurry up! We are going to the pool. It will be so much fun.
Oliver, are you ready? Did you put on your swim clothes?
Mom, do I have to go? Can I stay home?
Oh, sweetie, it will be okay. Dad and I will be with you the whole time. You will love it.
The family arrives at the swimming pool. It is a big outdoor pool with blue water. The sun is shining. Many people are swimming.
Wow, the pool is so big. I want to jump in right now.
Wait, Emma. First, let us put our things on the chairs. Then we can swim. This side is not deep. See? The water is only up to my waist. It is safe.
Dad, the water looks very deep. Is it? Watch me, Oliver. I am going to jump in. 1, 2, 3.
Emma jumps into the pool. Splash! The water goes everywhere. Oliver jumps back. He does not want the water to touch him.
Come in, Oliver. The water is warm. It feels so good. No, I do not want to. What if I go under the water? I cannot breathe underwater.
Oliver, you will not go under. Dad is right there. He will hold you. I promise.
Oliver, come here. Just put your feet in the water first. That is all. Just your feet. Oliver is very nervous, but he trusts his dad. Slowly, very slowly, Oliver puts one foot in the water.
It is warm. It is not cold.
See? It is nice. Now, can you put both feet in? I am right here.
Okay, I will try. But hold my hands, Dad. Please do not let go.
I will hold you. I promise. Come on, slide in slowly. Oliver slides into the pool. The water comes up to his chest. Thomas holds his hands tight. Oliver is shaking a little.
I am in the water. I am in the water, Mom. Look.
I can see you. You are so brave, Oliver. I am so proud of you.
Good job. Now, let us try kicking. Hold my hands and kick your legs behind you. Oliver holds his dad's hands. He starts to kick his legs in the water. Splash, splash, splash.
Look at me. I am kicking. Am I swimming, Dad?
You are almost swimming. Now, let us try floating. Lie on your back. I will hold you.
On my back? But I will sink. I am scared. You will not sink, Oliver. I can float too. Watch me.
Oliver watches Emma float. He takes a deep breath. Slowly, he leans back. Thomas holds him. Oliver is floating.
I am floating. I can see the sky. This is amazing.
I am going to let go now. Just a little bit. You are doing great.
Wait! Do not let go.
Oliver kicks his legs and moves his arms. He is swimming. It is not perfect, but Oliver is swimming for the first time.
Oliver, you are swimming. You did it.
I am so proud of you, Oliver.
Now, a question for you. Why was Oliver scared of the swimming pool? A, the water was too cold. B, the water was too deep. C, there were too many people. Think about it.
Thank you for watching. I can swim now. If you want more fun stories, please subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.